The story of the sparrow and the firefly. In a dense forest, there lived a hardworking sparrow. Every morning, she would get up before sunrise to gather grains and build a strong nest. Her dream was to build a safe and prosperous home. Nearby, there lived a firefly, which would illuminate the forest with its glow all night long, but would sleep exhausted during the day. One day, the sparrow said to the firefly, "Your light is amazing, but if you work hard during the day too, we can start a big business together." The firefly agreed. The sparrow made a plan. She would gather grains and fruits during the day. The firefly would use its light to guide the animals of the forest safely at night, and in return, she would sell services. They started a startup called Light and Food Services. The sparrow managed the supply chain, and the firefly provided marketing and security. Soon their business was flourishing. Customers grew, partnerships were formed, and they became the most successful entrepreneurs in the jungle. Lesson: partners with different skills can make the impossible possible through hard work and strategy. Success requires teamwork, planning, and consistent effort. The success of Light and Food Services spread throughout the jungle. Now Cheetah and Jugnu had a large number of customers, but they were not going to stop. "Now is the time to expand," said Cheetah. "We should explore new markets." Jugnu suggested that branches be opened in nearby lakes and mountain areas. They raised funding from the rich jungle fauna for investment. Cheetah prepared a business plan, while Jugnu scouted new locations at night. Soon their company started night safety tours and fresh food delivery services. The monkey became the crew. The rabbit handled the logistics, and the peacock did the branding. Once a severe storm hit that affected the supply chain. The bird and the firefly faced the crisis. Firefly led a rescue operation with Light. The bird found alternative routes. This difficult time strengthened their team even more. Eventually, their company became the largest corporate in the jungle. He mentored new startups and said, "Success is not a one-day event, but a product of continuous struggle and smart decisions." Lesson: expansion, teamwork, crisis management, and continuous innovation are essential to growing a business. Those who take risks are the ones who get ahead.